Down in the infield.
He's got the glare in it, though. He just has it on the sheet every time. Probably. The guy in the red always stands. He's the big boss. He's the one you hate having call your name.
Come on, Elliot!
There you go, Elliot!
Let's go, Jared!
Come on, Jared! Come on, Jared!
Let's go, Levi!
Come on, Levi! Go! There it is. This is it. Come on, Pudlow! Go, Pudlow!